Hi guys, today, we reviewed the top 5 mechanical keyboard in the market for this year. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability and more. For price and details please check the description below. If you have any other recommendations you can let us know by leaving a comment. Number 5 is Durgade 87 Taurus K320 mechanical keyboard using Cherry MX switches PBT double shot keycaps brown blue black red silver switch. Features of this product: brand name Durgade, specs 87 keys, no switch LEDs, cherry switches, red/brown/black/blue/silver, PBT double shot keycaps, visual Durgade Zeus engine support, macros, key changing, combination key, multimedia keys, rubber feet, adjustable angle, Type-C USB cable, weight 25.6 ounces, 726, type, wired, application, desktop keyboard, standard, 87 keys, language, English, operation style, mechanical interface type, USB style, standard, so this very good option for you. Number 4 is Me Too Edition mechanical keyboard, 87 keys, blue switch gaming keyboards for tablet, desktop, Russian sticker. Features of this product: brand name Me Too, Russian. Friends, please note, when purchasing, please leave the correct contact number, mobile number, so that when the parcel arrives, the post office, delivery Y can contact you in time to pick up the parcel. Brand name Me Too, series name 0 Hello. Blue switch has paragraph sense. When you press it have a k-k-k sound. Black switch no paragraph sense, but the resilience is good. Straight up straight down. Red switch equals light version of the black switch, its press force is less than the black switch. Dear friends, our shop now be divided into 2 types of keyboard language, one for pure English, one is English plus Russian. Please friends, to buy yourself version you need white, black 6 mix light version, metal panel, full key anti-ghosting and 6 keys anti-ghosting. 2 modes can choose white, black no light version, ABS plastic panel, specified 29 key anti-ghosting, control plus shift doesn't work with this keys, N, M, greater sign, less sign, H, vertical bar, P, O, I, U, Y, and, page up, PG down, delete. If you want to know more about anti-ghosting, you can open this link www.microsoft.com/applied-sciences/anti-ghosting explained.mspx. Mix lights version, only lighting mode can be changed, not RGB. No lighting version, no backlight keyboard version: English letter / English plus Russian letter. Note: Mix light keyboard has a memory function that can restore your last action. Product parameters: cable length 1.5 meters plus minus 0.05 meters. Interface: USB. Lighting effects: no light version has not effects. Mixed light version of the 10 kinds of lighting effects: the axis, blue switch, black switch, red switch. The number of keys: 87. 104 packing. 1 gaming keyboard type: wired keyboard, standard, laptop keyboard. Application: desktop application, laptop operation style, mechanical language, English. Axis. Body brand, style, multimedia style, gaming style, standard. Interface type: Gearbest support. No model number: 0x51/x80/x52. Full size keyboard. No package. Yes. Product status: stock style. Mechanical keyboard supports human engineering. Yes. Whether to support plug and play. Yes. Keyboard standard. Mechanical keyboard have a multimedia function key. Yes. Mechanical keyboard. Yes. So this is the very good option for you. The next is, number 3 is 104 keys Corsair ROG backlit keycap top print artisan keycap set for Corsair K70 RGB K65 K95 Strafe mechanical gaming keyboard. Features of this product: brand name Mani, keycaps only, not include keyboards. The 104 keycaps set can fit for Corsair K70, K70 RGB Lux, Strafe K95 RGB keyboard. Key set: 104 keys set, color black, printing top printed, backlit material PBT with carbon coating, height Size OEM height type, wired application, desktop application, laptop application, number application, tablet keyboard standard, 104 keys language, English operation style, mechanical interface type, USB interface type, PS/2 interface type, Bluetooth interface type, USB/PS/2 interface type, Bluetooth/USB style, standard style, ergonomics style, folding style, multimedia style, waterproof style, gaming style, mini style, for laptop style, numeric keyboard style, for tablet style, multifunctional keyboard wrist support, no package, yes full-size keyboard, yes, so this is the very good option for you. The next is, number 2 is, Me 2 Edition Gaming Mechanical Keyboard 87 104 keys anti-ghosting luminous blue switch backlit wired keyboard English, Russian, features of this product, brand name, Me 2, if you need a custom keyboard language layout, please tell us version, black 87 key, no backlight, ABS plastic panel, only English version black, white and 87/104 key, mix backlight, metal panel, ABS keycap, have English and Russian plus English version blue switches, operation type paragraph sense click trigger pressure 58.9 plus minus 14.7 grams trigger stroke 2.0 plus minus 0.6 mm operation stroke 4 mm blue switch represents the mechanical axis of shaft axis, regardless of the sense of paragraph percussion sound. Strong mechanical senses the shaft body type, the sound, voice clear, strong sense of rhythm for typing and office entertainment are also strong game performance. Black switches, operation type linear trigger pressure 78.9 plus minus 14.7 grams trigger stroke 2.0 plus minus 0.6 mm operation stroke, 4 mm black switch is the proper axis for playing games. Black vertical axis. No sense of paragraph, small voice, and the king axis in stark contrast. Trigger fast, return powerful, is the game player's choice. Red switches, light version of the black switch, its press force is less than the black switch. Product image opening parenthesis 100% real shot picture closing parenthesis custom backlight CM1, CM2, CM3 For the combination of custom backlight the use of methods can refer to our video restore factory setting. After pressing FN plus L for 3 seconds, the keyboard will be restored to the factory settings. Remove all previous habits and settings. When lock, the keyboard has a lock win key function. When the press FN plus win key will be locked. Repeat the operation. Win key can be unlocked. Backlight effect. A total of 10 kinds of lighting mode. FN plus F9 equals switching the mode. Highlight the floating keycap design. Stylish. The original leading Gemini injection molding technology. Keycap characters never wear. 500 million times the mechanical switch to ensure that the using life. The game professional chip. FN key combination. You can quickly achieve multimedia capabilities, the cable with anti-interference magnetic ring, the data transmission more stable, type, wired keyboard standard, 104 keys application, desktop application, number application, laptop operation style, mechanical language, Hebrew language, Russian language, French language, English axis body brand, red, blue, black style, multimedia style, gaming style, for laptop style, ergonomics style, standard interface type, USB support, no model number, 0 full-size keyboard, yes package, yes. So this is the very good option for you. The next is, number 1 is, TechWire Phantom 87 Mechanical Keyboard, RGB LED, Altamou blue switch, extra switches provided, excellent for gamers. Features of this product, brand name, TechWire, RGB backlighting, enhance your gaming experience with 20 preset configurations on mechanical keyboard or create a unique one to match your own system. Altamu switches. The gaming mechanical keyboard comes with customized Altamu mechanical switches to ensure best quality and are equipped with optical sensors for precise gaming and comfortable typing. Spare switches with keycaps and switch remover are provided for easy replacement. Fiberglass PCB, built with SMD LEDs and FR4 fiberglass printed circuit board. TechWire mechanical keyboard is able to withstand extended periods of intensive and hardcore gaming sessions. Double-shot keycaps. Keycaps on TechWire mechanical keyboards are double-shot ABS, dual injection molding process, which guarantee higher resistance against surface wear, markings that cannot be worn off as they are physically part of the keycap. Speed advantage. With full N-key rollover and 1000 Hz pulling rate, TechWire keyboards allow faster and smoother gaming experience. The depression of each key on the keyboard is detected individually, meaning all keys will be registered, no matter how many you simultaneously hold down. Interface type, US burst support, yes style, laser keyboard style, multimedia style, gaming style, ergonomics style, for laptop style, multifunctional keyboard style, standard operation style, mechanical keyboard standard, 87 keys model number, TWKBP87 ZOB-AMD package, yes full-size keyboard, yes application, tablet application, desktop application, laptop application, number language, English type, wired, so this is the best option for you to buy. Check the description for price and details. If this video is helpful for you, please like, comment, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.